What if you could publish a book and earn royalties without writing a single word? In this episode of Internet Paydays, we're showing you how to make money with Amazon KDP using low-content books. These are things like planners, journals, logbooks, and trackers that you can design in Canva and upload in minutes. We're talking about products that people actively search for and buy daily: workout logs, meal planners, habit trackers, and budget journals. No writing, no inventory, and no shipping. Just passive income once you're set up. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create, publish, and scale your own low-content book business. What is Amazon KDP? Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, is Amazon's self-publishing platform that's completely free to use. You upload a PDF interior and cover, choose your pricing, and Amazon handles printing, shipping, customer service, and returns. With low-content books, you're not writing stories or novels. You're creating functional, blank, or guided pages like daily planners and weekly organizers, budget journals and expense trackers, mileage logs for business or personal use, fitness trackers and workout logs. Market opportunity. Let's talk numbers. The global planner market is worth over $2 billion annually, and it's growing. On Amazon alone, top-selling low-content books can earn $1,000 to $5,000 per month. Even modest sellers often generate $100 to $500 monthly per book. Tools you need to create books. Here's your complete KDP starter kit. Design tools. Canva Pro, your main design platform for interiors and covers. BookBrush, alternative design tool specifically for book covers. Creative Fabrica, unlimited downloads of fonts, clip art, templates, and graphics. Research tools. BookBolt, see what's selling, keyword research, and competition analysis. Tangent templates, ready-made interior templates. Publisher Rocket, keyword research and category analysis. Content creation, ChatGPT, brainstorm niches, generate titles, write descriptions. Amazon KDP account, free to set up and use. Grammarly, polish your book descriptions and copy. Optional upgrades, Adobe InDesign, professional layout software if you want to level up. Photoshop, advanced cover design and graphics editing. All of these tools have free trials or free tiers, so you can start with minimal investment and upgrade as you grow. How to design a book interior. Let's walk through creating a daily planner step by step. Step 1. Set up your canvas. Open Canva and create custom dimensions, 8.5 by 11 inches, most popular, or 6 by 9 inches. Set up 300 dpi for print quality. Choose white background for cost-effective printing. Step 2. Design your pages. Create a title page with the book name and date range. Design daily pages with sections for date, priorities, schedule, notes, and gratitude. Add weekly overview pages and monthly calendar views. Include goal-setting pages and reflection prompts. Use tables, lines, and text boxes for clean layouts. Step 3. Create variety. Design 5 to 7 different page layouts to avoid repetition. Include reference pages like measurements, time zones, or holidays. Step 4. Finalize your interior. Duplicate pages to create 100 to 120 total pages. Download as high-quality PDF, black and white recommended to keep printing costs low. Always preview your PDF before uploading. How to publish on KDP. Step 1. Set up your book details. Log into kdp.amazon.com and click Create Paperback. Enter your title, include keywords naturally. Write a compelling subtitle that describes the book's purpose. Add a detailed description with bullet points highlighting features. Add 7 keywords, phrases people actually search for. Step 2. Upload your files. Upload your interior PDF, check the preview carefully. Upload your cover PDF or use KDP's Cover Creator. Choose ink type. Black and white keeps costs down. Step 3. Pricing strategy. Most low-content books sell between $5.99 to $12.99. Calculate your costs. Amazon printing fee plus Amazon's cut. Price competitively, but don't undervalue your work. Step 4. Publishing options. Choose worldwide distribution for maximum reach. Decide on expanded distribution, usually worth enabling. Review everything one final time. Hit publish your paperback book. How to find profitable niches. Finding the right niche is crucial for success. Method 1. Seasonal opportunities. Back to school planners, July to August. New Year goal journals, November to January. Wedding planning books, year-round but peak in spring. Holiday gift guides and trackers. Tax organizers, January to April. Method 2. Problem-solving approach. Meal planning and prep. Habit tracking and building. Password organization. Travel planning. Common mistakes to avoid. Design mistakes. Too cluttered or busy layouts. Inconsistent spacing and alignment. Low-quality images or graphics. Publishing mistakes. Rushing the upload without careful review. Poor keyword research and optimization. Pricing too low or too high for the market. Marketing mistakes. Not optimizing book descriptions for search. Using generic titles that don't stand out. Business mistakes. Not tracking expenses and profits. Ignoring copyright and trademark issues. Legal and copyright considerations. Copyright basics. Original designs are automatically copyrighted to you. Avoid using copyrighted characters, logos, or images. Be careful with quotes. Many are copyrighted. Amazon's guidelines. Content must be original and provide value. No duplicate or extremely similar content. Books must be functional, not just decorative. Trademark issues. Don't use trademarked terms in titles. Research brand names before using them. When in doubt, consult Amazon's policies. Best practices. Keep records of your design process. Use commercially licensed graphics and fonts. Read and follow KDP's terms of service. Financial projections and goals. Month 1 to 2. Learning phase. Publish 2 to 5 books. Focus on learning the process. Expected earnings, $0 to $50. Month 3 to 6. Building momentum. Publish 10 to 20 books. Start seeing which niches work. Expected earnings, $100 to $500 per month. Month 6 to 12. Scaling up, 25 to 50 plus books published. Expected earnings, $500 to $2,000 per month. Year 2 and beyond. 100 plus books or focused series dominance. Passive income with occasional new releases. Expected earnings, $2,000 to $10,000 plus dollars per month. Remember, these are averages. Some people hit these numbers faster, others take longer. The key is consistency and continuous improvement. Amazon KDP is one of the most beginner-friendly ways to build passive income online. You can literally start this weekend with nothing but a Canva account and some creativity. No upfront investment beyond your time. No shipping headaches, no customer service issues. And no writing required, just problem solving through design. Here's your action plan. 1. Sign up for Canva and Amazon KDP today. 2. Research one profitable niche using the methods we covered. 3. Design your first book interior and cover. 4. Publish it this week. 5. Start planning your next 2 to 3 books. The creators making serious money from KDP all started with one book. Use the tools we linked in the description: Canva, ChatGPT, Creative Fabrica, BookBolt, and launch your first low-content book this week. Subscribe to Internet Paydays for more passive income strategies. And comment below what book you'd publish first. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Your KDP journey starts with that first published book. Let's make it happen.